Learn how to use the General Ledger Exceptions report to find and solve errors in your financial records. Click Reporting, then select All Reports. Type General into the search field and select General Ledger Exceptions. This report shows transactions that are irregular based on default settings or other transactions in the same account. First, choose a date range. Use the preset ranges such as this quarter or this financial year. Or choose a custom date range. In this example, we'll choose last month. Use the Columns drop-down to add or remove columns, so you only see the information important to you. For example, you might want to remove source and add the tax rate name. Next, you can use the Grouping, Summarizing drop-down to customize how Xero groups the information in the report. Xero defaults to group the report by account, but you can choose the option that suits your preference. In this example, we'll leave the default. You can apply filters to the report, so you only see exceptions you want to see. For example, only see exceptions for a selected account or that has a certain reason. In this example, we'll leave the filters blank so we can view all exceptions. Click Update to run the report. Xero provides a reason why it included the transaction in the report. Common reasons are unexpected credit or debit, non-default tax rate, higher than average, and lower than average. Here, we can see a bill with a non-default tax rate. Click the transaction to investigate further. The bill has a tax-exempt rate applied. However, in this example, the transaction should be taxed at the standard rate. Edit the transaction by clicking Bill Options, then select Edit. Update the unpaid bill by clicking a field, like the tax rate, and correcting the information. If the transaction has a payment applied to it, remove the payment first by using Remove and Redo, then edit the transaction. Click Update to save the bill. The bill now has the correct tax rate applied and will no longer appear in the exceptions report. Regularly review the General Ledger Exception report to find and solve errors in your financial records.